Welcome to Top 10 Crypto News. The most popular crypto story today is Russia set to recognize crypto as a form of currency. Authorities in Russia are set to recognize digital assets as a form of currency. According to local news reports, the government and the Bank of Russia have reached an agreement on how to regulate cryptocurrencies. They are now preparing a draft law, expected by February 18th, which will define crypto as an analog of currencies rather than as digital financial assets. The report further stated that it will only be possible to use crypto in the legal sector with full identification through the banking system or via licensed intermediaries. The second most popular crypto story today is Silicon Valley is no longer the edgy tech frontier as workers flee Google and Amazon for crypto and Web3 startups. Recruiters say tech execs are leaving Silicon Valley giants for crypto and Web3 endeavors. They're making the leap in part to cash in early on what they view as the future of the industry. Tech recruiters say they're seeing a significant trend of high-profile executives and developers leaving established firms to cryptocurrency and other decentralized tech ventures. Experts say the rest will follow as the once fringe startups elbow their way to the forefront of the tech industry. The move is similar to what happened when on-demand companies like Uber and Lyft became popular in 2010. The third most popular crypto story today is Crypto.com announced as official title partner of the Formula One Crypto.com Miami Grand Prix. New 9-year deal announced with the world's fastest growing cryptocurrency platform, with the race to be officially called the Formula One Crypto.com Miami Grand Prix. Formula One.com logos will feature on the podium and winners' trophies. The Crypto.com terrace, which sits within the campus of the campus, and details on the Crypto.com fan zone, which will take place on the field in the center of the Hard Rock Stadium, have been revealed today. The Miami International Autodrome will be the 11th different venue in the United States to host a Formula One race and will form round 5 of this year's campaign on the weekend of May 6-8, 2022. The fourth most popular crypto story today is Russia won't ban cryptocurrencies, will regulate them instead. Russia's government and central bank have decided to draft a bill on recognizing digital assets as an analog of currencies. The authorities have until February 18th to present the draft law. All crypto transactions of over 600,000 rubles will have to be declared or risk being labeled as a criminal offense. The purpose of this regulation is to integrate digital currencies into the financial system and ensure control over cash flows in the circuit of credit institutions. The fifth most popular crypto story today is U.S. government now holds $4 billion in Bitcoin, double Tesla's stack. The amount of cryptocurrency seized by the U.S. government in 2021 alone surpassed $1 billion. The U.S. Marshals Service had seized and auctioned off more than 185,000 Bitcoins, which were estimated to be worth $8.6 billion. Bitcoin, worth over $3.5 billion from the 2016 Bitfinex hack, was on the move, Finbold reported on February 1st. On January 31st, on-chain observers began to see strange activity around the wallets holding the funds from the infamous hack. The Justice Department announced on Tuesday, February 8th, that the hacked BTC had been recovered in its largest finance bust. The sixth most popular crypto story today is Barstool's Portnoy makes $1 M Bitcoin investment, says it's here to stay. Dave Portnoy, who admitted to once being skeptical of Bitcoin, discussed the future of the cryptocurrency on Varney & Co. On Friday, he noted that he recently bought 29 Bitcoin for about $1 million. Bitcoin, which hit an all-time high in 2021 of $68,990, has dropped about 11% so far this year. The Federal Reserve last week signaled it could soon raise interest rates for the first time in 3 years, paving the way for a March liftoff. The seventh most popular crypto story today is Americans prefer crypto over a traditional savings account, study shows. A new study has highlighted the extent of cryptocurrency adoption among U.S. citizens. Most American adults at 24% owned cryptocurrencies as of 2021, according to Morning Consult. The study was conducted between December 23-25, 2021, while sampling feedback from 2,200 United States adults. The increasing cryptocurrency ownership aligned with the 2021 general market growth led by Bitcoin and a host of meme coins. About 55% of crypto holders would like to earn their salaries in digital assets due to greater financial flexibility. The report recommended that financial institutions allocate more internal resources to exploring cryptocurrency opportunities. The eighth most popular crypto story today is JPMorgan estimates Bitcoin's fair value at $38,000, 12% below current price. Bitcoin's fair value is around 12% below the current price, based on its volatility in comparison with gold, according to JPMorgan Chase & Co. Strategists led by Nikolaos Panagurtsoglou, the strategists calculated the fair value level at around $38,000 based on Bitcoin being roughly 4 times as volatile as gold. They wrote in a note published Tuesday, in a scenario where the volatility differential narrows to 3 times, the fair value rises to $50,000. They estimated Bitcoin was trading at around $43,400 as of 11:20 a.m. in Hong Kong. The biggest challenge for Bitcoin going forward is its volatility and the boom and bust cycles that hinder further institutional adoption. The strategists wrote, still, metrics like futures open interest and reserves on exchanges are now pointing to a more long-standing and thus more worrisome position reduction trend that started in November. They noted, the 9th most popular crypto story today is new XRP docs could strengthen Ripple's case against the SEC. XRP's price has soared on news that soon-to-be unsealed documents expose a key flaw in the SEC case against Ripple. The SEC sued Ripple in 2020, arguing that XRP is not a currency, but a security, and therefore subject to strict securities laws. U.S. District Judge Annalisa Torres of Manhattan has ordered that the documents must be unsealed on Feb. 17, Reuters reported. Once released, these documents will show that in 2012 Ripple received a legal analysis that XRP was not an investment contract. Ripple General Counsel Stuart Alderoty said in a statement, the SEC could not immediately be reached for comment. The 10th most popular crypto story today is Cardano won't be a part of bringing democratized broadband internet to millions of Africans after all. Africa-focused startup 3Air has announced leaving Cardano to build its internet connectivity platform on the Scale mainnet. After looking into several EVM-compatible networks for potential partnerships and tech evaluations, 3Air decided to proceed building on Scale, a multi-chain network focused on scaling Etherium. We found 2 entry-level part-time developers. Cardano is built using a functional programming language called Haskell, which doesn't rank as one of the best-known programming languages and is not widely picked up by developers. Scalability issues didn't help either. We have tried to develop on their platform and we think the EUTXO model will not be suited for building smart contract-based dApps until a good scaling solution is found, said Bytink, noting that Cardano's scalability issues contributed to the decision. According to the CEO, the initial reason for choosing Cardano was its strong presence in Africa and having governmental-level contracts for digital identities that 3Air wants to utilize for its clients. If you enjoyed the top 10 crypto news stories today, then like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.